Good morning, everyone. How we doing today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let the show begin. How y'all feeling today? Everybody doing good? Good to see you all here. Happy Thursday. What's today? Wednesday? Thursday. Happy Thursday. Yeah, happy Thursday, man. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Oh, Disturbed, you home today? All right. Hey, what up, chat? Hey, if you're happy to be here, if you're excited about a new day, let's get some W's in the chat. We're going to get the Zoom all set up, get this screen share going, and then we're going to get started here today. By the way, chat, we got a free Discord. If you can find it, you can find it. Right? If you can find it, you can find it. All right, Zoom is out. Let me share screen. All right, lovely. lovely. All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Happy Thursday. Welcome to another New York live stream. I don't know about you guys, but I'm happy to be here today. I'm happy to be alive today. I'm happy to be healthy. I'm happy to be after a dream, after a goal, and hanging out with you guys. So I hope you guys are grateful today. Hope you guys are ready for a new day. Whatever is going wrong, just understand that, you know, there's people going through way worse situations than you are, right? So let's be grateful for what we got today. It's a friendly reminder that you're alive here, man. On average, 150,000 people die every single night, and you're here. You're here doing what we love to do and having a good time. So I hope you guys are grateful for life today. I hope you guys are grateful for another day, another opportunity to get better, right, and do what we do best. So it is Thursday. We do have some news coming in today. It is another day, another opportunity, really, to be disciplined, to be laser focused in on our dreams and goals, and be disciplined to what we need to do here in the markets, right? So taking a look at the news here, we've got unemployment claims coming in today. Unemployment claims every Thursday. My landscapers should be here as well, and they should be right on time. So we have that today. We also have some core durable goods coming in, the monthly for that. Also natural gas storage. You have some meetings here with the FOMC staff, and that's about it. That's about it for the day. Only one red folder coming in here at 8:30. Other than that, we should be good. We just maneuver around that a little bit, and we should be able to find some really good positions here today. So what up, Wick the Kid? You're a legend, bro. You're a legend. What up, Xander? What up, Nightbot? Nightbot's in the building. But yeah, let's take a look at the charts here and see what it is that we got going on. What's up with gold and all that good stuff, right? So let's pull up the charts. This is what I had going on earlier today. Let's get rid of everything. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. Weekly, monthly time frame. How's the music? Are we good? You good today? I'm great today. I am great. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Morning. Hey, Pack Runner FX is in the house. What up, Pack Runner? Lower the music a bit. All right, let's do it. All right, how's that? I think that should be good. Buenos dias. What up, Randall? What up, Wiz? Oh, Wiz, I gotta check out your Discord message. I forgot all about that. I will be looking at that today, my friend. Lower the music a little bit. I think the music should be good at this point now. And I think we should be good to get the breakdown going. How many likes do we have? How we doing with the likes here? We got close to 500 in attendance. 121 likes. If we can get the likes up to 200 before we get to this breakdown, that would be great. Let me say hello to everyone in Zoom. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Joseph. What up, Chris? Good morning, everybody. Forgive me, I am battling. I'm battling this cold. Should be wiped away. I think we wiped it 85% out yesterday. So maybe a little bit more today and we should be good to go. Need that 1K. Yeah, if we can get the likes up. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here. If you're not subscribed to the channel, do yourself a favor and subscribe to the channel, man, because we're dropping some heat. We're dropping heat every day. Oh. Gotcha. Y'all got 2 tabs up today. I see. 177 likes. We're moving slowly. Wake up, gang. Wake up. It's a new day here. Come on. Let's wake up. Let's shake off the rust. Good morning, brother. Greetings in the name of our Jesus. Amen, brother. Good morning, Bobby. Good morning, Bobby. India's on the moon. Awesome. Awesome. All right. Anyway, let's get the breakdown going here. So let's take a look at this monthly time frame here. What up, TK? What's up, everybody? What up, Z Gamers in the house? What's good? What's good? What's good? All right. Let's take a look here. So monthly time frame, right? We are very, very bearish. We did break these lows here after coming out of this rejection zone here. We do have a pretty clean traffic coming down, right? If we're breaking the lows here, we should be good to continue down. One thing I noticed here about the monthly time frame though is we don't have a top wick. There's been a lot of selling pressure throughout this candle. I don't know if we'll actually come up. I mean, that's a long shot, but hey, we never know, right? We never know. We're not here to predict anything. We're just gonna follow the move, follow where price is going, and that's all we need to do, right? So we are very, very bearish though off the monthly time frame. If we're looking at the weekly time frame, we have officially broken the high, right? We broke the highs here yesterday, and looks like we're coming back up to retest this previous support level here, right? There's a previous support level right here. We have tapped into that support, and we don't know, are we going to continue up now, right? The daily candle did close bullish, I believe. Yeah, we closed bullish yesterday, right? We closed bullish, and we closed, remember what we talked about closing above that resistance there, right? If we're closing above that resistance, then there's a high chance that price will continue up now to fill the rest of this range up there at 1942, right? Now that's what price action is saying. Now another thing price action is saying is that there is no bottom wick on this daily candle, right? Now there was no bottom wick here either, so price can absolutely move all the way up, tap into that resistance with no bottom wick. But something tells me today we got news coming in. We should have a bottom wick on this daily candle, and you know, we'll be ready to capitalize on that if that opportunity comes. If not, then we'll find ranges on the smaller time frame and make sure we take our buys accordingly. So if we are going to take buys today or sells today, how are we going to do that, right? We got to go down to these lower time frames. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, you have a very strong support right here. Price has created a resistance. Therefore, after breaking the lows, we should continue down now to retest that support at 1915, right? I think that would also give us a daily bottom wick as well. So very, very high probability that happens. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame and see what we got going on. So it looks like the 1-hour did close below 1919 here. So let's take a look at the 30-minute as well. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. you should be good to come on down to 1917. Looks like we shot out, broke the lows right away. We're coming back up. We may get a pack runner here, right? If we can come on up and give this candle a top wick, then I will look to take sells on the reflip of this candle here. So we may have an opportunity right out the gates here today. We did get a closure below, but I do want to see a pack runner play here, especially with news coming. I think if we come up, grab liquidity, then we can come on down, retest that support level. And it's only a 15 pip range, so definitely do want to see that top wick there. So we'll see if we get that. If not, we could take sells below. Let's take a look. Take sells below, I would say, what is this? 1918 here. Yeah, 1918. Sells look pretty clean. Maybe 1917, 800. Yeah, right around this area. If we can come up and make a top wick and grab a pack here, I'll get in on the flip of this candle to retest these lows and potentially come on down to 1915. So we'll see what happens here. But pretty clean closure. Pretty clean closure. What up? Not right now. Not right this second. What up, Green? Why, is that what you woke up for? All right, yeah. So nice clean closure on the 1 hour time frame. I would have liked to see that top wick, especially if the 1 hour closure, right? We should come up, make a steeper top wick here for the 30-minute time frame. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's totally fine. We could take our sells below 1917. But yeah, if we do get that, we'll re-enter on the flip of the candle. Oh, look at this. Looks like you got it actually on the 15. But the 15 never closed below. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'd rather wait on the 30 here. Link for Discord? Discord should be, yeah, just exclamation point Discord. Yeah, we'll do an analysis on US30 here too. Yeah, 15 minute looks pretty clean. 30 came up, gave you a top wick for the 15, but not the previous 30. So, yeah. 4 hour looks good though. 4 hour onion play coming down. Not too bad here. Not too bad. What up, Star? Let's oh yeah, let's take a look at US30. By the way, look, we had a perfect opportunity there yesterday. But this looks clean. Like, if we could probably start finding moves like this on US30 all the time. Right? This was right around noon, right around 12:30. The 1 o'clock open, it just pumped. That's usually a time that we're not on stream anymore. But I may be looking to trade around noon Eastern, like 12 p.m. Eastern time. US30, because that's where I see a lot of big moves happen. Let me just go. Where's Zoom? All right, let's take a look at the Dow here, and then we'll just chill out and wait for price here. So weekly is pretty bullish, right? We did close bullish last week. We're coming down to create that, or I'm sorry, the monthly. We're coming down to create that monthly bottom wick. Weekly did close bearish though, right? So remember what we talked about though. We closed bearish right in this nasty range here. So we don't know if price wants to actually drive down. and get past all this, we may need some sort of news event to be able to get us past there. So let's see what happens with this, but we are pretty bearish. The daily time frame did close bullish though, back up above this range here. Very interesting, right? We closed below that support finally, and then price just pushed all the way back up. So we did close bullish on the daily yesterday. Therefore, I would expect to see price continue up today. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, you have a very strong resistance right here. So I think right now we're consolidating. We've come down. We've kind of created some sort of exhaustion wick. If we can get this 4 hour candle here to close bullish above the range, then what I say is we could take our opportunities above, you know, this level here for price to continue pushing today. That would be very, very nice. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 1 hour and 30-minute time frame. Yeah, move it up. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. So depending on where we close on this 4 hour, 4 hours is very, very choppy here. So we really want to see a decision, right? Are we going to close? Notice how this candle here closed below, right? And then price jumped right out the gate, right? This 4 hour candle's about halfway through. So price must have jumped right out the gate, broke the lows. Remember what we say about candles that, you know, do that, right? That those are wild candles, and they're most likely going to come up. Now, if it's going to come up, it's either going to come up to create a top wick to push back down, or we may close back above the range. So if we do close above that range, then we could look for buys here, and that would be basically above this level right here. Yeah, right above. Let's see what that looks like on the 30. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad on the 1 hour. 1 hour closure is above. I think it's pretty clean. Let me see. Yeah, you see you got a closure above, pushed up. Closure above, price pushed up here. Closure above, price pushed up very nicely. So yeah, I think if we can get a 1 hour candle to close above, then we'd be pretty straight here to fill that wick up top. So, or at least tap into that resistance up here, right? So yeah, that's what I'll look for here today on US30. So buys above here, going with the daily bias, and then if we do take sells will be below 34408 here. Yeah, and that's it. That's the day. I think we could target I think we have a pretty decent target on buys here today. Oh yeah. Yeah, because if we can anticipate this candle reflipping bullish, breaking the high, you know, we could possibly see like 34,900 here. You know, somewhere up in this range today. So yeah, let's keep an eye on US30 here and see where we're at and how this all plays out. Cool. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Gold is still right there, huh? All right, no worries. No worries. Still pretty early, 7:15, 7:18, not. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad. I think I'll wait. I'd rather wait anyway for some volume to come in. And I think 1917 looks really good. If we can get a closure below there, that looks very, very clean to continue down. And look where the cleanest traffic is here today, right? You got clean traffic here, but you got real clean traffic here. And then you got below 1915, you've got to move, right? You've got a beautiful push down here today. So that's what we're going to be expecting a target, which is 1903. And if we can get positions here, we'll be able to have runners, I believe. And yeah, looks good. Looks clean. Why does everything look so small here? We got sells below everywhere here today. I'm on phase 2. I was up 2%, 5% bounce. Do you think I can be funded? Oh, of course. Yeah, absolutely. Of course, man. Of course. Y'all gotta believe in yourself. Gotta believe in yourself. You can do this. Right? There's no reason not to believe in yourself. If you're committed and you're doing what it takes to win, then why shouldn't you win? Right? Success is a formula. If you're truly following the formula, you should expect to win, gang. You shouldn't have doubts. Shouldn't have doubts. The issue is sometimes you can't see the end result while you're baking the cake, right? It doesn't look like a cake just yet. And it doesn't really look like a cake until everything is put together. So sometimes you could be doing all the right things, but nothing's reflecting. But you got to give things time, right? You got to give things time in life and continue to believe and trust in what you're doing. All right. Yeah, I think this is clean too. Buys above 1921. Lovely. The boys are here.
Yo, yo.
Good morning. Hey, boy, good morning.
What's going on, boys?
How you doing?
How you guys doing?
Hello, bro.
What up, players?
What's going on, boys?
Good.
What a beautiful day we got here in front of us.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Morning,
Every
chat.
day is beautiful. Yo, good morning, everybody. How's everyone doing today?
How we doing? Excited for a new day?
Yes, sir. Did you see Don's
Super
live stream?
excited.
No. Johnny Boy.
Some of you
Sandy
guys
Boy.
are excited. City boy.
The boys
Oh,
in the building.
I thought you said city boy.
Yeah, this closure right here wasn't too bad. Nice move down.
Yo, we got Pack Runner FX in the building. What up, homie?
Pack Runner FX.
That was nice. Pretty decent range.
Yeah.
What up, Star?
All right. Morning.
YOLO. Alrighty. So, while we got some time and while we're waiting here, I saw a couple of you guys were already jumping the gun, getting excited. Do you guys want to talk about BRICS first? Or do you guys want to talk about what we're going to expect tomorrow with Powell at the Jackson Hole Symposium and how he's looking to
Talk about it. Let's talk.
tackle inflation in the final leg of what the Fed's going to do?
Give us the wisdom.
Drop it.
PK says JP first. Anything BRICS. We got plenty of time. We'll go through everything that you guys want. All right.
Let's talk about it.
Well, we'll start with BRICS first, right? Because they've started with BRICS earlier this week, and we're still waiting on Powell. So let's talk about BRICS, right? What is BRICS first of all? So BRICS it's first of all the countries Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, right? So that's what BRICS stand for, BRICS. But they're a group of world economies, right? And so what is all the big talk with BRICS right now, right? Why is this an important headline that you guys are seeing a lot right now? And so it's because Brazil's president is calling on creating a common currency for trade and investment between each other, right? That is going to be backed by gold. So that is what because they are looking to rival the US dollar, because the US dollar, as we know it, is the world's business currency, world's safe haven currency. I believe it's about 90% of trade is all conducted through US dollar throughout the entire world. So Brazil's president doesn't believe that nations should use the dollar to trade if they're not even using it in their own country, right? However, the problem with this is that these countries they have a lot of differences, right? So it's going to be difficult for them to go through with something like this, because really, if you look at all of the trade, it's between China is the main host of all the trade, and then it's usually like Russia trades with China, India trades with China, right? But none of the other countries really trade with each other, so that would be one issue, right? Let me look. I have a little bit of stuff wrote down here. What else is important to talk about?
Freedom. Yeah, it's true. Brazil's president's a clown.
I haven't been reading the chat. What are you guys saying? What are you guys saying?
Yeah, bring back the gold standard.
BRICS is my favorite club of hypocrites. Yeah. US trades the most from China. Yeah, US trades a lot with China. So, right now, with how the economists are treating this with BRICS, they're not too interested, right? And another main topic is China's economy is not doing too hot, right? Just before all this BRICS meeting we had last week, they actually had to cut rates because their economy is suffering so hard, right? So in the middle of economic hardship, that would be like right now if Powell was like, hey, we gotta stop hiking the rates, we gotta go back on them, right? And then so what are you gonna see? You're gonna see the inflation process, everything that we've done over the last 2 years reverse itself. Inflation will start to continue back rising, so right, so that is the situation that China is facing currently. So in my opinion, I feel like the whole BRICS thing right now is just to create some fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I don't think that, in my personal opinion, that they are going to create a rival for the US dollar in this current state of time. There's a lot that needs to be done in terms of, there has to be disciplinary measures that they instate in case countries aren't following the framework, and like trade imbalances will be a problem as well, right? So like, to go back on what I was just saying, like they need a disciplining mechanism, right? So that if countries start to fall out of line with their central bank, and that's another question, is where does their central bank get located? So there's a whole bunch of things that there's a lot of challenges that they're going to be facing with setting up this currency right now. So the way that the market and economists are looking at this right now is it's nothing too crazy yet. Maybe in another 10 years, maybe 5 years, we'll see. India has already replaced USD with INR to buy crude oil from UAE, right? So this is the thing though. Is it really, what would be the word to use? Is it probable to have like 40 different currencies? Right? You got like the INR, right? So that's why the US dollar is used around the world so much, right? Because it's just like universal. Right? Think about like all of the cryptos, for example. All of these, excuse my French, but they call them shit coins. If they're just going to start creating currencies for currencies or currencies to do specific trade, it's going to get rough. And so that's why, and also the US dollar is pegged to oil as well. I'm all over the place.
Ooh, no.
You guys gotta ask some questions though. I'm kind of just going all over the place.
The brain.
Yeah, almost got a closure there on the 30, but nothing. No, that's good stuff though. A lot of people don't talk about that stuff, and you know, you can't really pinpoint exactly where price is going to go, but if you confirm that with price action, it's a whole new edge. It's a whole new level of confidence and, you know, like opportunity for you to really pull the trigger when you start to see price action start lining up with that information right there. I think that's the coolest thing. That's one thing that I'm looking to get even better at too, is understanding the fundamental side of things, the, you know, economical side of things. And, you know, just like we always talk about, right? Class is always in session, and the learning literally never ends, you know, in this game. So love it. Yeah, no closure on the 30-minute. So we may come back up a little bit. But if we do get a close right around 8 a.m., then we may be able to get in positions. If not, we'll wait for news, and we'll look to take part after the news. But very nice push.
There are many internal institutional weaknesses, and each participating countries need to be tackled for BRICS to succeed. Yeah, basically that's exactly what I'm saying. That sounds like a very sophisticated version of what I was saying. Many internal institutional weaknesses in each participating countries need to be tackled. Yes. So this is the thing. Imagine you get a bunch of countries that aren't, you know, they're not very strong, they're kind of weak. How do you yeah, how do you think the adoption of BRICS will impact gold? See, that is a very good question, and I was thinking about that as well, right? Because if they're going to peg their currency to gold, that means that gold now has to hold a certain price, right? Because, for example, whenever the US dollar was pegged to gold before they took it off of the gold standard, gold was $35 an ounce and didn't fluctuate. So that is a good question. That'll be interesting. But overall, I would like to think that it would bring gold down, because now the currency is pegged to that asset. So if it's pegged to that asset, then that currency, that fiat currency, holds just as much value as that asset, because now they are pegged together. So now it actually becomes more favorable to hold like a liquid dollars, right? For example, instead of a physical gold bar, because think about how much more you can do with a piece of paper money than you can do with a gold bar. Like if you pull it up to the store with gold coins, like gold doubloons, like you're not going to get very far. So I would like to think that if they're going to peg, why not peg currency to countries' natural resources? I'm not sure how that would work. Where are some other questions?
Except China. Yeah, China's struggling a little bit, huh? Good morning, ghost of me. What up, brother?
Where's all their gold? The value would have to increase, right? Do they even have enough gold to back all the BRICS paper? Oh yeah. Russia and China have been stockpiling gold since like 2010. They have a lot of gold. And you can actually look up each country's gold reserves that are public. Keep in mind that they keep public. But that's all China and Russia started to do ever since about 2014. When we seen Russia first try to invade Ukraine back in 2014. Ever since then, they just were stockpiling oil, gold. So, yeah, they definitely have enough gold.
They got some gold. Yeah, we got a clean move down here today. If we do decide to push down, I think unemployment will come up and at least give us a top wick here. And then maybe come back down.
Yeah, I'm feeling real bearish as well.
Yeah, we got a whole correction to make here. Daily got no bottom wick. Our new sells here, well, we'll take sells below 1917, but below 1915 gives us that daily bottom wick. That also, this 4-hour candle has no bottom wick either. So if we start breaking these lows here, we should be good to come on down today. Right, correct this whole move that happened. This was, yeah, that was the news yesterday. Yep. So yeah, this candle closed with like no bottom wick, also right at support, so nothing we could do there. We're just gonna wait for new closures below 1917 here and look to take positions coming down. All right, all this is pretty clean traffic. Below here is really clean, right? Very, very clean. You've had a lot of rejection to the top side here. Gold pushed up right away and then just kind of tried making a move up, but just a lot of rejection here. So we've broken that low now. That should indicate we should be good to push down. We may have to come up one more time here, right, to see some sort of a wick for that candle. And now I could see that happening with news. Then we get a closure below, and we continue down here for the remainder of the day. That'd be ideal. Let's see if we can get that. Yeah, because the weekly, like what you were saying too yesterday, is the weekly kind of came into the zone now. We never really were able to come up last week to tap into that zone, even these zones up here. And now we've kind of done that, and we've started rejecting here. A lot of consolidation at this top wick too, so we may start to pull back now.
That 1919 zone, right, on the weekly.
Yeah.
And then you notice too, that's also the same support on the monthly time frame as well.
Yep.
That we got 7 days left on that candle.
Yeah. Plus we've broken
So
the
we closed
lows
below
here.
there.
So if we've broken the lows, then if the monthly candle ends here in 7 days, then I would expect this candle to close below that support to the left hand side, right, and have a nice closure below with this whole range to fill for the month of September now. Right, come down into the zone. As long as we close below here, then you should see a nice clean push coming on down to like 1825. 1825.
Yes, sir. So since BRICS, the BRICS countries already has experience creating new currencies, it's just a matter of time for them to create a single currency for trade. Yeah, they could create the currency, but think about what are they gonna do with it? Like, for example, China is a massive exporting country, right? They create a lot of goods and they export them to other countries, specifically the United States. So, and the United States is not gonna start trading in Chinese yuan, right? So what are they gonna do? They're gonna create this currency and then they're gonna say, hey, United States, we're gonna start trading our currency now. United States is gonna say, wait a minute, what? And then if they were to do that and say, for example, we'll say theoretically, United States stops buying from them, where is China's economy gonna get any of its money from, right? Because now who's going to be buying their products that they create? So there's a lot of things that need to happen before a currency really gets adopted, right? We have a lot of time now and a lot of things that need to happen before we can really think about them creating a currency to rival the US dollar.
Nick, the stream's not working. Gino, I think you're on the wrong stream, brother. Yeah, there was one stream that went down. I don't know where it is. It's gone. Let me see. Stream should be working fine. Stream should be good to go. Your voice sounds a little sick today. Yeah, I got a little cold. Just trying to shake it off here. Trying to shake it off. Get off of me.
The world is not the United States. It's far from it. I'm not trying to be political. I'm just saying that that's exactly, you know, that's just factual evidence. China is a massive exporting country. A lot of the goods and a lot of their GDP comes from exporting goods to other countries. The United States happens to be one of their biggest countries that they export to, and they happen to trade in US dollar. That's just facts.
Show right now your biceps. What do I look like, Raja? Shiro got rid of the stream from everywhere. There you go. Man said, "Show me your biceps."
Alright.
Trading on Adderall, you probably never lose. Yeah, that reminds me of that show with that movie with Bradley Cooper. What was that movie? Limitless. You guys seen Limitless? Limitless. Hope you get well soon. Ah, thanks, bro. Yeah, we good. We're good.
Hey Nick, what's the best medicine, bro? Self-talk.
Self-talk and prayer, baby.
We got plenty of that. Exactly.
We do a little praying. Limitless is amazing. Yeah, I need to watch that again. Yeah, that was a good one. Good movie. You continue to train yourself all day, every day. Yeah. How many of you guys went out and watched Into the Wild? Did any of you guys ever watch that? We were talking about that the other day on stream.
Chris McCandless.
Give your cold a stop loss. Get me an NZT, homie. Yeah, that's right. NZT was the name of it. Into the Wild is good. Yeah, it was a good one. Best medicine is 50 pips. Yo, I think we're going to get 50 pips today, gang. I really do.
I'm feeling it.
I really, really
Feeling
do.
I woke up today and was like, today we're catching a banger.
We're catching a banger. Nah, stop, bro. Stop, bro. Yo, we ain't closing anything. If we get closures below here, we're holding for 50 pips today. We'll close partials at 50. Come on, how's that 50 right on the dot? Come
We get
on.
value. Grow a pair.
How many of you guys want to grow a pair today?
If we get some value, why not grow a pair today?
Who's trying to
We'll
let him
hold for
hang?
50.
Hold our position. Let them hang.
We gonna let him hang today.
I'm a grown ass man. Yo, Sam, we gotta get that voice clip, bro.
Yes, yo. Damn, you know that video?
What's it? No, what's it?
I'm gonna send it to you right now.
I'm a grown ass man. Can't eat a sandwich cold. He's like, can't
Oh
eat a
yeah. Oh my goodness, that was one of my favorite videos back in the day, bro.
Bro,
I love
you-
whenever.
The more you watch that, the funnier that video gets. No lie.
I bet your daddy whooped your ass and you cried. Whatever he
Yeah,
said.
but I don't, he does, but I don't
I
cry.
don't cry. He's like, I don't cry.
Yo.
You don't smoke though? I'm watching it right now.
Try some freshly squeezed lemon juice, honey, and hot water. Works like magic. Oh, I'm gonna try that. What up, Jennifer? Good to see you here. Get some lemons today.
Why you ain't eating cold?
Why you ain't eating cold?
Dude, this is one of the funniest videos, bro.
Hold on, I should probably, let me share. So these guys don't know what video we're talking about here, so.
You know what video I also think is, this one and then the other one that comes to my mind is, it's super old, but it's like the dude sitting there eating the straight bread. And the dude's like, what you eating, bro? He's like, straight bread. Well, hold on. Why you eating straight bread? Because it's all I'm making, baby. It's just all on my mind.
Supposedly they got the
and
full
it's
video too on YouTube of that video. Yeah. Let me try and find the video so I can show you. I'm not gonna play it, but I'll show you guys. So you guys can go watch it yourself. You gotta watch this video though at least 10 times. Where is it? Where is it? On Crowdo. Right here, this one right here.
I'm a grown man.
This video right here, hilarious. Hilarious.
Yeah.
These kids
I
are
like
too
that
funny,
caption
bro.
too. I believe him
It's
when he
cooked my
said
whole
I
life.
cooked my whole life.
Yeah.
I cook my. He's like, you can't even make a cheese
Yeah.
and toast.
He got hungry. I had to give him spaghetti.
Yeah.
Yo.
Y'all gotta check
I
this
had
one
to
out,
cook
man.
my whole life.
This one's funny.
That's
Can't
my
even
boy.
eat a sandwich cold. Yeah.
Chad definitely knows about that video.
Good morning, Unique. What's going on?
More unique.
All right, can this 30-minute breakthrough or what? 1 hour candles closing in about 11 minutes here. Oh, US30 rejected. All right, we gotta wait. We gotta wait. Gotta wait. Gotta wait on it. I cook all my life, bro. He's like 6 years old. Nah, dude, that's the like I said, the more you watch it, the funnier it gets.
That is comedy.
You gotta find like.
Was that the first time you
funny.
seen that yesterday?
Nah.
Yeah, that's a classic, bro.
He turns to the camera. He's like, "I'm a grown ass man. I'm a grown ass."
Yeah. And he pumps his chest.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm a grown man.
He's like, "How you can't eat a sandwich cold?" Yo.
I used to always say that too, from that video. Why ain't you eat it cold? What's wrong with you?
Hey chat, we got a new video dropping today. Did a video, just got it done. Gonna drop that later on this afternoon. Time frame correlation.
Just wait on it.
Hey, wait on it. It's gonna
Do you
be
think
fire. Full of gems.
yesterday we took the trade too close to news? Yeah, you know what? Me and John were talking about that a little bit. I think that was the only thing in our way at all yesterday was the news, right? Everything else lined up perfect, right? 30-minute breakout at 9:30, bullish on the day, and price came down, tapped us out, moved about another like 8 pips, and then pushed up, right? That was where was that? That was right here. Yeah, so we were on the money, right? We knew price was going to continue on up, but we ended up getting, stopped out, and then price went in our direction. And to be honest with you, a lot of the trades that we've taken, I'm very, very happy with our trading. Like, very, very impressed and happy for you guys too that are following this way of trading. We're trading very well, right? Not a lot of traders can really do what we're doing, and we're trading very, very well. So I think yesterday was, I think news was really the only factor, right? That was the only factor. At the end of the day, that's kind of what happened, right? We pushed down and then news shot us up. So yeah, I think that was the only thing in the way yesterday. Other than that, money trade, and maybe next time we'll wait on the news.
Yeah. After we got activated, we didn't really move. We didn't really move as much either until after news, and then we got stopped right before news.
Yeah, we got activated at like 9:34. So I was expecting there's typically enough volume in that initial candle that I was expecting to at least be at break even at that point. So we could have went, could have had no risk on the line for news. But, like John said, price kind of just moved very, very slow up until the news. And, sometimes that's going to happen.
You didn't get that typical push, you would at 9:30.
Yeah, exactly.
What up, Scott? Yeah, I wish I was here yesterday, bro. I was so upset yesterday.
Are you still down in the 400K? Nah, I'm so I pushed the 400K all the way back up to break even, and I got a reset. So I'm basically, I think I'm a little bit in profit, like a little bit under 1%. Let's see. Yeah, I'm like 0.7% in profit. Yeah, better stops. I think maybe we could have used that 15 low. That may have been a little bit better for us at that point.
Weren't they like 40 plus pips?
They were pretty decent, yeah. Yeah, they weren't like small, that's for sure. Do you get unlimited time? Yeah, so now I got unlimited time. And I lost track of time yesterday. I was actually going to get the 200K. So I'll probably get another 200,000 today, and then max out the funded trader. Because right now they're doing a deal, 92% profit split. That's what I have on my current account. So if I can get 600K at 92% profit splits, that only makes sense, right? Max their plan out. Nope, no time limits.
I didn't know they did another promotion.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yep. Yeah, they did it like a day or two ago.
I'll check that out.
I want the trade entry sheet. Just hit ! journal. What's your average RR? Anything over a 1-to-1, I'll take. Yeah, I only wait for the highest probability setup. So anything that's got at least a 1-to-1, I'll jump on it. The more the better, but 1-to-1 is pretty good for me.
Yo, TK, you're the GOAT for that.
TK's that guy.
He is.
That guy.
Yo, that's actually kind of crazy. I think that's better than the one that I got.
Yeah, it probably is. They do these deals every now and then. They leave them open for like 2 days, so you really got to jump on it.
I'm gonna get one just to get one. Yeah, why not?
Yeah, that's
like
what
the
I'm doing.
deals. Yeah, I mean, if you can get that 92%, whatever, right off rip. I mean, that's personally
gonna max it
the
out.
most
Anyway.
attractive thing there.
Why not get the same profit split? You handled and showed magnificent discipline. Oh, somebody else still holding that trade, trying to avoid a loss. I'm not going to call out any names. Are you still down in the 400K? I already answered that one. No, we're back to we're about 0.5% up, a little bit more than 0.5% up. Yeah, in one day I was down like 5% because when I bought that challenge, they didn't have the unlimited time limit yet. And once we bought the challenge, that's when we took like 4 losses, bro, almost in a row. well, not in a row, but like right around the same time. So went down like 5%. So I made the 5% back in one day, and then I reset the account, and now it's chilling at like 0.5% up. You got the Royal Challenge? Yeah.
A cool TFT hack is you order using the coupon, but then take up to 4 weeks to actually complete payment. What?
Yeah, man. Some of y'all never been broke enough to be to figure things out like that, man. When you're broke, you get really creative. Really, I used to do that all the time. That probably
sounds
works.
like he's scamming.
Appreciate that.
It sounds like it sounds like he's pay 4 weeks later. That's crazy.
It's on layaway.
Yeah. Small loan.
Love that.
Every time we have a loss, people disappear. They gone. They vanished. Remember layaway? Yeah, layaway. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
What do they got now? Firm? What is it? I forget what it's called.
Wait, what?
I think that's what it's called. A firm? Is that what it's called? Where it's like, I don't know. I see people using it for crazy stuff. It's just like, I think it's like a money lending thing. They'll just like lend you money, and you gotta pay interest back on it. People will literally go out to eat and use that. It's like, bro.
For real? Chat, what is it? Someone in chat knows.
Yeah, I think TK, yeah, firm, yeah. Yeah. It's crazy. You guys are giving people crazy ideas.
I love that the fund the trader hack.
Yeah, yo, I just seen another one in here. Financial advice from the chat is crazy.
Right.
The one about
For
PayPal.
real.
That's crazy. You don't want to tell that to the wrong person. Yeah, Zach, that's actually sick.
Yeah. Oh.
What up, Nasty? What's going on, brother?
Okay, nasty. Push it, push it. Today's my birthday.
Yo, happy birthday, George. Yo, yeah. He used his birthday wish for the W today. Yo. W,
Oh.
George.
Happy birthday, George.
How selfless of you.
George.
Yeah, sharing is caring.
That guy Brian's in the house.
Brian.
Gold heading towards, yeah, making a bottom wick. Yup. Let's take a look at what we got here. We got a closure. We have 8 a.m. NY Open coming in. There is news coming up very shortly here. So we're probably going to wait for the news, and we may see a push back up here and then come back down. So As of right now, I want to wait for that news to come out. I think sells below 1915 are going to be pretty clean. We could take these sells here, but we may run into some issues, right, with news coming in. Previous candles 22 pips, not too bad. So we'll see. We'll wait for 8:15. If nothing, then we'll wait for the news, and then we'll look for positions after that. Yeah, I think we could see a monster sell-off today, especially if we get closures below 1915.
Oh yeah. That'll be the daily flipping.
Yeah. Yeah, there's your daily flip, right? Below 1915, so that would be clean.
Hey, you just gotta be patient, right? Patient for your move. That's what we doing.
How long did it take you all to pass phase 1, phase 2 on average? It could take up to like 2 or 3 months. You gotta give yourself a little bit of time.
Yeah, don't worry about that either. Everyone's
yeah, give yourself a little time. Process
is different, right? How quick can you develop the skills, you know? That will determine how quick you get it.
Pack runner on the daily. Oh my god. So that would mean that this daily candle will have to come all the way down to 1897 here. Sheesh.
And then flip.
And then flip back. Yeah, this is the main area in which I want to trade today. This zone right here. Right there. These two areas right here are the main areas I want to be in trades. Right below there. That's going to be your cleanest range. That's probably going to be, you know, where the volume's going to come in, and I like this the best. Yeah, if we would have got positions at 7, that would have been okay. We could have been in this position, but we didn't take that, so nothing we could do. Anybody take the move at 7? Let's do it, Nick. Let's do it. Oh, nice. Good stuff. Some did, some didn't. Very nice. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, I probably would have closed most of my position, you know, right here. 16 pips. Yeah, I was thinking about re-entering. If we would have came up and made a top wick there, grabbed the pack, I was thinking about re-entering on the flip, but we never did that, so. Would have been interested here if we closed below, but we never did that either. So now we just continue to wait. Nick and Johnny Gems, what up, Sandman?
Hey man, what's good?
You hesitated at 7? No worries. Yeah, it was a clean close below too. I think we were still doing the breakdown at that point, so we didn't see the close, or at least I didn't when it closed. I seen it when we were like pushing down here.
Yeah, it was solid.
When you first started out, did you manage to stay patient while being down on your account? No, no way. I did not stay patient. And that's why I blew a lot of accounts early on. I wasn't patient. I didn't know how to take a loss. I think we were talking about this the other day, right? I didn't know. Me learning how to take a loss was a major piece of the puzzle, of the profitable puzzle for me, right? I never knew how to take a loss. So I would take a loss, and then I would try and revenge trade it back. And my buddy's words will always ring in my ears. And he said, when you take an emotional loss, just shut the charts. Otherwise, it will become a downward spiral at that point, because now you're not thinking logical. You're going to be taking trades off of emotion. And, you know, when you're taking trades off of emotion, what does that look like? That looks like a lot of forcing trades, a lot of, trying to come up with something that's not there. I would even go to the 5-minute or the 1-minute time frames and try to take positions to make profit to get that loss back. And very rarely did that work out. It was usually blowing the account that day. So once I learned how to, and then you know what would happen? Then I would buy a new account, and then the next day I'd go and I'd take this beautiful trade, and I thought, wow, I could have made that loss right back. Instead, I gambled the account, got super emotional, blew the account, had to fund a new account. Meanwhile, I could have just made that money back the next day. So it's okay to take a loss. It's okay to, take a position and lose it, and then close your charts and just come back the next day and start all over. Once I realized that, I was like, okay, all right. And then that's when I stopped blowing accounts. Yeah, I think everyone's been through it. Yep.
Part of the process.
Yeah, learning to take a loss is absolutely big essential. What up, Luke Lenz? Can we get 500 likes? Oh, that's going to be up to chat. Yeah,
they
nice
sleeping on the likes today.
There goes the daily candle flipping. Lovely. 4-hour clean move down. Yeah, I anticipated this move down here on the 4-hour. Yeah, so we got news coming out very shortly here. Yeah, I've noticed a lot that around 7-ish your time, the trend always seems to start. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, that does make sense, right? Because that first 1-hour candle, that 7 a.m. 1-hour candle's usually gonna create a support or resistance, and right at 8 a.m. New York Open, it's gonna follow whether we created support or resistance.
Yeah, I really wanted to
see the price action.
I wanted to see that pack get grabbed on that 30-minute because we had a 1-hour close, and that 1-hour top wick was really not that big of a top wick. So if we would have just came up a little bit more, broke this high, that would have been a nice clean top wick for the daily. I mean, for the 1 hour coming up into like this 1920 range, then reflip, I would have been all in on that position. Because you never know, right? We're bullish on the day. So just as easy as that thing went down, it could have easily have closed back above and continued to range here until news, right? So you're seeing this push down, but yeah, that would have added so much more confirmation. Just a little top wick and then entry on the flip of the candle, close 80% here, let a runner go, possibly new positions below here.
Do they do the FOMC Jackson Hole meeting at the weekend so the market may not react? All right, so you guys want to talk about this real quick? We'll make it fast though, because now we're in the New York session. We'll talk about what to expect. So Jackson Hole Symposium, it starts today. So what is this meeting? So it's where a lot of the central bankers from the West get together and they talk about the state of the economy, right? So one of those central bankers happens to be Jerome Powell, and then tomorrow, so they start the meeting today, they're going to go over everything, talk about all the data, and then tomorrow Powell's going to testify at 10 a.m. and he's going to talk about, I would like to expect that how he's going to use monetary policy to fight this final push in inflation, right? Because we are coming towards the end of the rate hike cycle. Think about when we first started, we were doing 75 basis point hikes primarily, and now we're at 25, and they're looking to see how the economy is being affected so far, right? Because we're not going to see the effects right away. So far, we haven't really seen too much of the effects. So tomorrow, what I want to see him come and say, based on all of the data, while the economy, we are facing a little bit of pain. Inflation is up, prices are a little higher. Americans don't have as much savings, and credit card debt is also at highs. But we don't have any crazy. So there's pain. The way that I like to explain it is there's pain, right? People are feeling the pain, but there's no suffering. There's still goods on the shelves. People are still having places to live, right? So it's not like a crazy pandemic or anything. So what I want to see Powell come tomorrow and say is that they're going to keep the rates higher for longer because the economy isn't suffering too terribly. So they're able to do that. And I also really want to hear him say that there's not going to be a chance for any rate cuts in the future, so that way, if he comes to the table and says that, then it's like, okay, boom, we can expect investors to move out of gold and see the bears come in for gold following the meeting, right? Because if they're going to keep the rates up higher for longer, then gold, being an asset, now becomes less favorable to hold because the interest rates for holding that asset are higher. So that's just like a quick little rundown. We'll talk about it more tomorrow on the stream. Obviously, before he testifies, we'll have lots of time because he won't even speak till 10 a.m. Inflation is at its lowest ever. Trolling.
Trolling.
And the goal for inflation is the 2% target, and so right now, let me double check so I can give you an exact number of what the last CPI report was. So the last CPI report, we came out at about 3.2%, but core CPI is still very high, which is goods and consumables like food, gas, right? Because with inflation, everything inflates. Prices of houses, like assets, like houses, stocks, bonds, but then also food. So food and consumable goods that the average middle class citizen needs and spends majority of their income on, we still see high inflation for that at around the 5% level. So the Fed still has some ways to go before they reach their target of 2%.
Don't take trade before news. I won't. 8:15. Oh man. See, this would be perfect for us. If we didn't have news, got a closure below. That's okay. I think news might pump us up a little bit, and then we'll come back down.
Yeah, it'll be interesting.
In which time frame do you guys draw your levels for the day? And when does the level become valuable for you to actually base decisions upon it? So yeah, the way we do this is we kind of scale down from the higher time frames, right? We figure out what the higher time frames are saying. We know that this candle opened up with no top, no bottom wick, pushed up right away. We were expecting this candle to make a bottom wick. In order for it to do that, it would have to move below that support right there. So that's a major support level. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, you also have that major support right there. If we go to the 30-minute though, you'll notice that you had a very strong support here, very strong support here and here, right? And those are the ranges. So if you want to color code it, you have basically like the blue range, you have the purple range, right? You have the pink range, and then below that now you have the orange range, right? And this is basically the orange. Well, I guess we can call this the orange range, and then we can call the green range down here, right? So these are your ranges. These are where you have current supports or resistances, and gold likes to move within these ranges here, right? So if you're getting a closure, this becomes almost as if you have a new resistance. So think of it as if like, so you get more power, right? Let's say a lot of people, I tend to laugh when people say, you know, it's oversold or it's overbought. And what they're failing to realize is that gold will move in ranges. So although this looks oversold to you, right, as long as it's breaking back below this new range now, gold will get more volume to pump in, right, to fill that range. Now, if we closed, let's say right here, then yes, I would say we're oversold. We need to come back up, right, depending on how we close. But if we're closing below and we're entering a new range, there's an 85% chance now that we will retest the low of that range, right? If we look left, we'll find that area, which is right here, right? So you have to understand the ranges, and this is why it's so important to have your ranges marked off properly, is that way you understand when and where more volume is coming in, right? So depending on how this candle closes, if it closes below, then you should see a continued push down. If it closes above, then it becomes 50-50. You may see a push back up, you may see a push down, but it's a 50-50, and we don't like to trade 50-50s, so we just let it rock, right? That's why we didn't take a position here, because it closed right at support. So this was a 50-50 move happening, and it ended up going down, right? But if you close below, that 50-50 there turns into like 80-20. And I don't know about you, but I'd much rather be in an 80-20 move.
Oh yeah.
Much rather.
Yeah, me as well. Why risk it?
Where can I find your Telegram group? I don't have a Telegram group. I do have a Discord though. You can join the free Discord. Just hit !Discord in the chat and the link will be there for you. Got news coming up. Show some spreads. Some spreads? You want to see some spreads?
Like peanut butter on a piece of bread spread?
Spreads right now are 1 pip here on gold. 1 pip. Mod squad. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Hey, chat. What's good? You got any questions? Ask them in the chat. What time frame do we need to close below? I have a 1915. Below there is gonna be clean. That's what we want. On the 30, right? On 30 or 1 hour, whichever.
Yeah. The only problem is we have news in 10 minutes, right?
Exactly.
That's the only issue. Otherwise, I'm sure.
On 30.
LeBron.
Hey, what's good, LeBron? Yeah, if we didn't have news in 10 minutes, we would be waiting for closures below 1915. And if we got that, we would take sells. But because of news, we're gonna hold off. But yeah, it's most likely gonna be our next opportunity will likely be like 9:15 or 9:30. We'll let news play out, do its thing.
Question for Sam. You really live in a Penty? Yes.
Yeah, he's in the Penty. And that's in Brickell.
Hell yeah.
All right, 820 pushed us up here. 5-minute push up. Yeah. Nice, nice. Yeah, if we get a close below and then a pack runner and spreads are decent, may have sell stops around like 835, 840, somewhere around then. Because 4-hour candle should push down, right? If we really want to go down today, you should see a nice push towards the end of the 4-hour candle here. Typically, we don't like to enter off the last 15, but we'll see how it plays out today. Because if we get the pack runner, that's an indication that this 4-hour candle grabs some more liquidity and wants to push down and maybe close like this, right? Something like this. So that way, we have room coming down for the next 4-hour. Right? So we'll see what happens here. I feel like I've been saying that often. Oh, we'll see what happens here. So we'll see what happens here.
We just waiting.
How much capital do I have? $1 million, grazillion dollars.
$1 trillion. All we can do is be patient.
Couple mil buried in the back.
5 mil in a shoebox.
I got a shoebox.
Wait.
Just John, something light in the shoebox. Must be Shaq's shoebox, yo.
How's the 400K doing? Good. I'm up about 0.5%. Yeah, give this. We got 5 minutes here. Right, wouldn't be bad if we can see something like this. Price come up, give a top wick, and then reflip bearish, and you should see a push down at that point. Would make total sense on the 4-hour here. Always get in the zone. Never been locked in like this. Yeah, let's go. See, you guys are, once you start getting goals, you start getting locked in, man, and life gets fun, right? Life is boring without goals.
Yeah, you don't know where you're going.
So true. So true. I'd rather be busy than bored, is what I always say.
About to either blow my funded or pass it. We got motion. We got motion.
Those.
Those wouldn't be bad. They'd be like less than 30 pip stops too, I think. Yeah. Because you see how we have very little, very little top wick. So this candle could come up, make a top wick, and then shoot back down. Oh. Blow it or pass it. Crazy dopamine. Blood rushes everywhere. Hey, I remember I used to get into trades, or before I would get into trades, the anticipation. Bro, I'd be like, oh, my heart start pumping. Be like, damn. It's coming. It's coming. And that's what happens when you don't really do your homework, right? Like, I was still new to the system. And I would be getting nervous, and heart would be, you know, that's why I like playing the little heartbeat thing. The little heartbeat joint. Because I know a lot of y'all heartbeat beating like.
Quaking.
Quaking a little, right? Nothing wrong with a little quaking. Nothing wrong with a little quaking. Oh, you guys want to know what strategy?
There's no strategy.
There's
I have
no
no
strategy.
strategy. There's zero strategy.
There's zero strategy. All right. TTE is now TTG. Time to gamble. Who's going to have buy stops? Anyone going to have sell stops? What are you guys doing here? What are you guys doing? Let's hear it. I want to hear about it.
I'm to gamble.
Who's
That's
taking
comedy,
trades here? You got 2 minutes. Who got buy stops? Anybody got sell stops? What are you guys doing?
Who's got both?
Both? You got both? High key, but this is the best trading stream. Oh, thank you, bro. Options. Options.
Who's gambling today?
Don's holding 90 lots like a boss. Hey, I can't wait to hold 90 lots like a G. Get a little drawdown. I mean, I don't know about 24-hour drawdown, but get into, you know, some drawdown on a trade and come back and just take a dub and be like, damn. That's how you hold 90 lots like a top G. Yeah, because pretty soon I'll be pushing 70 lots pretty soon. So, yeah, I'm almost there. New levels.
Levels. Yeah, I seen that yesterday. It was like 8 p.m. I was like, this dude's still alive? What? I thought it was bugging. And then I clicked on it and I'm looking at it, and I didn't even know what I was looking at.
Yeah, I jumped on the stream too. I seen some of y'all over there. I seen some of y'all over there.
We saw y'all.
Well, because it was like 8 p.m. and it was still alive. I was like, what? I didn't know. I was like, what?
Do you even trade if you ain't using 100 lots? Yeah, word. Time to level up. Are you a fan of the top G? Oh, yeah. Forget about the ego. Yes. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So I think we're best here to wait on this 4-hour closure. If we get a 4-hour close below, y'all already know. Downtown we go. But let's see how news pops here. We didn't really close below. So I wouldn't be surprised if we still created that top wick. But I don't think we're going to take a position, right? Because
News
we never really
good.
closed below.
Good
Yes.
for US dollar.
All right. So
Bearish.
yeah, gold
Gold.
should continue to move down here. Love you, Nick. Hey, love you too. Leveled up. Level up. Level up. Level up. Level up. Push it. Push it. Let's take a look at what happened to the Dow Jones. Mr. Jones. Look, we pushed all the way down here.
Uncle Scalp.
Pushed all the way down. Just lost everything. It's alright, brother. You just max out that credit card, just apply, max that thing out, you'll be good to go.
I read the message before I seen the name. So that was super fun.
Yeah.
I just lost everything. Uncle Scout, you a grown ass man. You can't. Uncle Scout can't even cold sandwich. Can't even sandwich cold.
And he don't even smoke though.
Yo, daddy, whip your ass. Yeah, but I don't cry.
Too funny.
That was like, yo, look at that one I sent you on Discord, John.
Alright, bro.
Motherfucker can't eat a cold sandwich. Yo, why is that funny?
Because that kid's hilarious.
Why
I
is
used to
that
laugh
so
at
funny?
that for like 15 minutes straight. Just sit there and watch it.
Gold
Yeah,
to
that's
gold.
so funny, bro. Can you put the whole lotion audio?
He's like, I had to cook. I had to cook this. He's like, a sandwich. He's like, a sandwich.
He like couldn't get the word.
This
What he
damn
said.
The dude he was like making fun of helped him out with the word. That was so funny.
Sandwich.
Kids are
Yeah.
hilarious.
yeah, a sandwich.
Man can't even eat a cold
I had to
sandwich.
cook my whole life.
Dude's like 7. He's like, what you mean? I've been cooking my whole life. Unc had to sell his setup after that. Yeah. He's trading from his iPhone now. Can't even.
And downgrade to the Android.
The Android.
Imagine you're in a trade and the battery falls out of the back. Can't relate.
Yeah.
Can't relate.
Patience pays.
What if the 5-minute close below?
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
Nah. I mean, it could be because we do have high volume in right now. But I think I would much rather just sit tight on the 4-hour candle here.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
He said, I think it will start pushing soon. It needs some turbulence. Yo.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
That's funny. That was a perfect time to use that. Yeah, that brother's starving.
Still until after 9. Coming up on the last 15 of the hourly 4-hour candle.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think 8:45 would be a very good trade. because then that's the last 15 minutes of the 4-hour. So if it's gonna push
Yeah,
down
exactly.
now, the last 15 minutes might pull back and make a bottom wick for the 4-hour. I don't think I would want to enter there. Me personally, I'll wait for the next
That sounds like a
time,
genius plan.
a little bit of volume coming in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait for
Wanna be
9:30.
yeah, you want to be comfortable in your positions.
Yeah.
Do. Where we at here? Push it, push it. Yeah, what are we at? 15 minutes. Closes in 8 minutes here.
Yes, sir, David. Yes, sir. Yeah, nah. Just comes with experience, you know. That's all.
Experience. Yeah, very, very nice push down here. All expected. Yeah, very nice 4-hour candle here. Yeah, let's see something here. What was this? Not bad, not bad. %2% for the W. Good job. Very nice. Yeah, for those who are in since 7, good work. You guys are chilling.
Eating.
Chilling right now. You guys are eating. Nice move down. Yup. Did we take a trade yet? No. Nope, nope. Gonna pass my 5K. Nice. Buy a Lambo. Nas got a seller play. Oh, let's take a look. Yeah, if we could pull back now on the 4-hour here, that'd be lovely, right? We just want to close below that support, and then we have all clean traffic to continue down today, right? You close below that support there, you'll have a nice wick fill, and then we can continue down to 1904. So plenty of room, plenty of range to drive in here. Yeah, we should have a very powerful 4-hour candle coming in. It would be lovely to see the next 4-hour close below, give us a top wick, and that top wick come to like 1916, 1917. Give this 1-hour candle a high, and then come back down. That'd be fantastic. Since you know price is gonna go down, why not take the trade? Oh, because trading's a lot of trading is timing, right? So you don't want to time it wrong, and then all of a sudden, because we can know price is going down, but our playbook is what's gonna get us into the market. So the only entry we really could have had was probably up here at 1919 when we closed below, but we had just started the stream, so we weren't really paying attention, or I wasn't. I also wanted to see a high here for the 1-hour top wick to come up a little bit steeper there. And then we couldn't enter here because candle closed right at support. Couldn't enter here because NY open, no top wick. Couldn't enter here because we had news come in. So now we're just waiting. Yeah. Yep. Now we're just waiting for our playbook. So if we can get an opportunity where price closes below a range, then that's going to be our opportunity to grab a piece out of the market.
She looking good though.
Looking good. Almost took a trade. Nice. I've been watching some ICT. I think it might reject a fair value. Look for buys. Probably not. I'm just going to follow price action. Yeah, I'm looking to see if we can get a pullback here on the next 15. We'll come back up. 4 hour can close somewhere around like 1914 would be great. Right around these levels here. And then, you know, we expect a top wick on the next 4 hour and then a continued drive. Fair value farts.
Aaron, that's huge, brother. Almost took a trade on AU, but I stopped myself because no top wick. Think I'm making progress. That is huge progress, right? That's discipline.
Yeah.
And you just strengthen
So
the muscle.
give yourself a pat on the back. You stuck to your plan. That's the most important thing as a trader. It doesn't matter if you made money or not. You stuck to your plan. Your plan said don't enter here because this candle doesn't have a top wick. And you stuck to it. That was your plan? Perfect.
Grew as a trader today. Good job.
You grew as a trader today. Yup. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream or subbed to the channel, go ahead and like the stream. Give us a sub on the channel. Come pull up with us every day. Trade price action with us. Trade your funded account with us. Let's have a good time with this thing. We've been having a great time here with the New York live streams. It's been a blast. The community's been coming together so well. A lot of gems dropped on the live streams. I really want to go back and watch Monday and Tuesday's live stream because I can go probably learn a few things from those streams too.
From like every
FOMO's a
stream.
disease.
You can get a note in there.
Trade max credit with us. Come on in. What's the top wick all about? It's to grab liquidity, right? Look at we tapped into that 1911 perfectly, right? That's resistance right there, and now we should pull back and get ourselves a nice 4 hour closure and have a potential wick fill to continue down here. But the top wick is mainly it's designed to grab liquidity. All right, so all candles have, well, not all of them, but the majority of them have top and bottom wicks. So it's very important to get at least, you know, somewhat of a top wick before entering a position. Because if you don't wait for that top wick, price may push down in your favor, but then come back to create that top wick. So you don't want to be getting caught in drawdown, and then you don't know how steep that top wick may go from there. Maybe it's a little nub, maybe it's gonna go 30 pips up, right? So it's you put yourself in a 50-50 situation at that point where, you know, if you hold off, you can kind of, you know, set yourself up a little bit better and get yourself into like a 85-15 type of situation. Will I keep live streaming? Yeah. Yep. Entered on news. Oh, nice. 20 pips. Beautiful. Can I be frank with you? Oh, you could be whoever you want. Yeah, it looks good though. You should get a pullback here on the 15, and then it would be really nice again to, you know, see something like this on the 15 where you get candles to come up, give that 1 hour a top wick. This will be your 4 hour top wick, and then we get a resistance here, right? And then 930 comes along and we could take the move coming down, right? I expect to see a very strong push here at 930 today, with everything going on. So we got clean traffic to push in, and I think we could see something like this off the 15-minute time frame. How long do I see myself live streaming? Yeah, I would say at least a couple of years for sure. All right, lovely. Lovely, lovely. So now we wait for the 4-hour closure here. And that's it.
In game.
How many years though? We all depend on it. Oh, who knows? Who knows? Until God calls me to do another mission. Why are we not looking for a 15-minute pack runner? Yeah, that's a good question. What I've noticed is the last 15 of the 4-hour candle tends to pull back. So we don't want to enter any sells here on this 15-minute candle. You'll most likely see a pullback, so that way the 4-hour can close slightly below support here. All right? We close below that support, you got clean traffic coming down here. Next 4-hour candle, if we close below, should be a blader. Oh. Should be a bleeder.
Tourniquet time. Later. Later. That's what I'm gonna do later. I wanna go back and watch us when we first started saying all that.
Yeah.
Quaking on the mic.
Quaking on the mic.
Later.
Later.
Plenty of range to go. Plenty of range.
Plenty of range. Now, can you be patient for your move?
I would love to, the way I would love to take this is like a 30-minute breakout or celery and 15-minute onion. Like I said, if the 15-minute candles can kind of do something like this, that would be just fantastic. We get a fake out back into the range here, and then off this fake out is where we'll take our sells. Coming down here, expecting volume to push price. Our stops will be kept above these levels here, and we'll move stops to break even around here, and I'll probably look to hold this position for a good amount of the move here. Yeah, I want to grab like at least if the range is decent, I want to grab at least a good amount of that range. And if
handful of pips.
Yeah, and if we can come up and make a top wick here, like I said on the 15, that would be more confirmation that we're going to see a real strong push to the downside. Bruce on standby.
Liking this.
Quaking on the mic. Which version's better for trading? MT MT4, MT5. They're both fine. MT5 is the updated version, right? So the updated version of anything is gonna be a little better, a little cleaner. Gonna go Quake even.
Quake even.
We're going
Quake even.
Quake even.
Nick and Sam question mark? Yes, Mr. Tawny Arm? Did you ask a question? Because I looked and I did not see one. It's my name, baby. Don't wear it out. Sam the man. Getting the ham. I ain't talking green eggs and ham.
And the man.
Quaking. Is it a problem if the 15-minute closes without a bottom wick? Nah. No issue.
30 minutes higher time frame, right? Stronger confirmation. It's a stronger time frame. So John, were you able to convince any of your classmates to take on trading? Nah, I wasn't trying to convince any of them. Some asked me about it. Some were interested. I think there's like one or two maybe on the live stream, but that's really it. Not too sure.
Johnny boy, recruiting the whole high school. You get a funded account. You get a funded account. Imagine. It's
Hold them,
funded
pull up to the
next.
live stream.
It's funded
Get
next.
funded.
Good. I don't know. They actually hit me up to see if I would work with them, but I really haven't heard much about their company. A lot of people have hit me up at this point to promote stuff, and it's crazy how many people come at you. I got another podcast I'm getting on too. I'm really excited about this one. Big names are on this one. The last interview he did was with one of the biggest names in the business. Sounds like MT5's the go. Yeah, I would go MT5. Buck the fly. Recruits the principal.
Yo, I actually suggested to one of my teachers he should buy a funded account and get himself funded and then quit his job, but that was up to him. I suggested it though.
That's funny.
I gave him the live stream and everything.
Oh yeah, someone said it. Yeah, some of you guys know who, Calvin, yeah. Yep, I'm thinking about maybe going down there, but we might do it virtual. Where's the first podcast? I believe they're still editing it or something, or doing some production on it. I don't know. I'll let you guys know when
Yeah,
that
I can't
one
wait to
drops.
watch that. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
that should
watch
drop soon. I talked to him yesterday. He said they were
Drop.
I was talking to him about some other stuff, but then he told me that they were just finishing editing the podcast. You're welcome, Mrs. Lippy.
I read that same time. What's that from? I remember you said that.
Oh, that's from Billy Madison.
Adam Sandler, right?
Oh, this 4-hour close is looking good. Yeah, I got a few podcasts coming up. Few more. We already did one. I still got 3 more in the mix. Billy Madison. Yeah, Billy Madison. Andrew Rate. On TradingView, my 4-hour close is another hour. Weird. Yeah. So go to, make sure you're on gold Oanda chart. See Oanda up there above John? Yeah, make sure you're on Oanda. What's a little summary of the podcast? Yeah, it was pretty cool. It's pretty chill. It was he's a Christian entrepreneur. So he actually just kind of asked me some questions about my journey, my business, my faith. It was a really good conversation. Yeah, I'll let you guys know when that's out, so that way you guys can go check it out. It should be out, like, I think maybe next week or something. Mention me in the podcast. David Quinones. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, looks good. The funded, I'm manifesting to see Nick on the Funded Trader podcast. Yeah, I believe that's coming soon. Yep. Once I get a payout on the 400K, we'll run it up. Calvin was my first mentor. Good dude. Oh, nice. Awesome, Gino. Yeah. I've watched a few of his podcasts over the last couple months, so yeah, I look forward to it. Sure, it'll be a great conversation. Hey, let's hit the like button. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. Let's see if we can get close to 1,000 before 9 a.m. here. So it's very easy. If you haven't liked the stream yet, just like the stream. All right, that should jump the numbers up a lot. Just do it. Just do it. You can do it. You passed the 400K yet? No, I reset that account. Yeah, I'm up 0.5% on it. Looking to go up even more here today. Yeah, US30 up. 4 hours looking good. We broke out, looking clean. If we get closures below on the 1 hour, I think we're good to go. Got a nice move coming down here.
Sure. Hey, Raphael Simons, the 4 hour, like the daily, just gives us some clues for us to enter positions, right? On the lower time frames.
Yeah, because the higher time frame you are, the stronger weight that holds. So 4-hour time frame is a lot stronger than like a 30-minute or a 15-minute. So if we got this 4-hour candle closing below, that's very strong confirmation that we're closing into the next range.
Yep.
Higher time frame, we get our directions. Lower time frames, we get our entries, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got 28 seconds. Will we close below? Will we close below? That's the question.
Oh, it's a big area here.
If we can come up and create a top wick here, we'll have about 20-25 pip stops, and we'll be in on the flip or the break of the lows. All right, so we did close below, and now we're going to need a top wick here. Let's get rid of everything.
You'll need your waiting for 9:15.
Yeah, we'll see. Unless we get that steep top wick earlier,
Unless we get the pack.
the pack runner, then yeah. But looks good. Just remember, this is a new 4-hour candle, so I am expecting to see a top wick here.
Yeah, I like that as well. Top wick. Maybe get some
And then
pack
that's our
on
entry.
30 or the 1 hour.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Plenty of room to drive here. Let's focus on right here for now, though. Are you doing a trade on the 4-hour time frame? No, it's a 30-minute. I mean, they all look the same, obviously, right? 4-hour just closed, so it is based off the 4-hour. It's based off the 1 hour. It's based off the 30-minute. All we need to see is a top wick here, right? If we can get a top wick, we'll have sell stops around 1914, 640 there, 612, whatever it is. But we need to see a bit of a top wick here. It's either that or we wait for 815. Yeah, that'll be the low right there.
Yes, sir. Yo, what up, Yanosh? How am I doing? Doing wonderful. Doing wonderful. I'm so glad that I'm actually able to sit here today. Man, yesterday morning, what I had to do was not fun compared to what I usually do, which is sit here with all you lovely people.
Yeah, yeah.
With the boys and trade, selling by candles.
Come on up, Goldie.
Yeah, if I'm never not on the stream, just know it's because I'm cooking. That's why.
Yeah, we're going to use the previous candle stops regardless, no matter what. So if we can come up, break the highs again, we'll have previous candle stops, which are about 20 pips, which isn't bad. But again, this is a new 4-hour candle. So if we look at that high, where is it, right? Let's take a look. Right up here. I mean, I don't think that's a bad 4-hour top wick right there. And if we don't get that, then we wait for the resistance right here on the 15, like we talked about earlier. Nick, do you use drug? Do you use drug? Gotta be the best day in my life. Yeah, facts. It's a good day.
You gotta dig every day.
Yes, sir. Who said that? Dopa down. Yo, that's so funny.
All right, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna grab some more tissues here, and then I think we're good, right? We just gotta wait for this top wick. If we don't get the top wick, we'll probably be in on the 15-minute close, right? If we get a 15-minute onion, we'll get in on that. So let's just wait on one of those, whether it's a top wick. We'll have sell stops on the flip. If we're waiting for the 15 because we don't get that top wick, then we'll just enter off of 15 onion here. So looking good, looking good. Just give it a few more minutes.
Race.
Some of you guys know what that's from. Dopa down. In the chat. Y'all are funny.
Nick injects pips. Just wait on it. Hey, Mirks, let's go. Let's go, but don't worry about that 1.5%, right? Lock that out. Focus on the trade. Let's get it. All right.
Yeah, don't focus on that goal. right? You can never guarantee how much the market is going to give you. You can only guarantee how much you're going to lose. So focus on that.
Facts.
Let the trade play out. Secure your partials when they come to your areas. But don't chase the money.
Yep. Here we don't make any goals, right? Or targets. We just take what the market's gonna give us. We're not worried about where we are in our account. We just worry about executing on the best trade.
Yes, sir.
And also, Chad, just by thinking like that, you're gonna naturally grow your account, right? And that was the ultimate goal.
Yep. Oh, the landscapers are here. Perfect timing.
We can't hear him anymore, bro.
You guys can't hear them no more.
Perfect comment for this 9:30 volume.
Gang, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed just yet. Let's push this channel to 20K. We're on it. We're almost there.
20 buns.
Give the stream a like. Give it a like.
Gold, come grab pack. Come pick up the
Come grab the
package. It's waiting
Yeah.
for you.
It's either that or we get a 15-minute onion play here.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be bad, right? Break, close, resistance. We take the next candle down. 9:15. And then 9:30 continues down. You have a sell stop? Not yet. Nope. Yeah, if I have a sell stop, you'll see it'll say sell stops right there like that. But no sell stops yet. Yeah, we're still looking really good with stops way up here on the previous 30-minute candle. So let's see if this thing drives, we may have to switch up the stops. What motivated you to do it for free? I don't know. I know that in serving people, my mentor always taught me, like, if you take the eye off yourself, put it on others, help them get what they want, you'll always have what you want in life. So I'm a leader by nature and love working with people. So yeah, I've got a love for people. Yeah, it looks good though. We got 5 minutes left. Looking to get your glasses. Are they any good? Yeah, they're pretty good. These are Gunner blue light glasses. Do you mentor? Yeah, right here. Yup. Yeah, we do a lot of mentoring. A lot of mentoring. Pack runner on the 15. Oh, let's see. No, because the 15 already has a wick. So we may be able to use 15 stops though. So we'll see if we can pull back a little bit and leave a wick, and then we'll use the stops on the 15. Yeah, yep. Hour pushing. 4 hour gave us a 4 pip top wick. Give a stream the like, Fleetwood. Most recent level there on the 15. Oh yeah, exactly. A 15-minute closure below. Yep, that wouldn't be bad either. Yeah, 3 options.
Yeah, Future FX. We're at 1K likes though. That's what I'm saying.
Or like it up.
Yeah, it's funny. Every time we wait to enter on 9:15, price seems to drive, but then when we enter at 9 a.m. before 9:15, we come up to make a steeper top wick. Isn't that funny?
I feel like it happens rarely though.
Yeah. Just want to drop a quick note. Oh, say
Just drive.
huge thank you for all the incredible knowledge and insights you've been sharing on this channel. Oh yeah, my pleasure. Glad you're taking a lot out of it. Yeah, we got
See the
plenty of
15
range
pull back
here.
now.
But
4
like, I
hours
feel
got a lot of room.
I like you know how like we've said before, Nick, like where the 4 hour will close like right
Yeah.
below.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's another
Right
like,
here.
I think that's what happened.
When it's like the same on the 1 hour and stuff. Yep.
Yeah, I think that's what happened. But still, though, I'd rather wait.
Damn, work messed your pay up. So I took a stress day. A stress day, huh?
Dude, if they miss my pay up, I'd be taking the stress day to them.
We do a little stress.
You don't play with my money, baby.
Facts.
Yeah, not bad. Might have sell stops here. Yeah, if we close, we're closing in 19 seconds. So gonna expect a little bit of a top wick, and then we're gonna use previous 15-minute candle stops. 15-minute onion play. Can we get a top wick? All right, chat. Gonna have sell stops. Sell stops on a break of the 15 lows here. 1914.07. So sell stops on a break of the lows. Gonna go break even probably right around like 1912. Somewhere around these levels here. Break even. And then I'm gonna close partials. Partials, let's see what this is. Yeah, right around 1910. Cool. So yeah, that's gonna be the trade.
Like this.
Stops are gonna be sitting above the previous 15-minute candle, somewhere around like 1915, 900, right? Somewhere right around there. That's it. That'll be the trade. Yeah, that'll be it. Beautiful. So position will look something like this. Something like that. Yeah, I'm expecting to see a nice push. Nice push as we creep into 9:15, 9:30 here. $100 lots coming. 100 lots. Stop loss on MT5, yeah. Stop loss is 1915. I want to put it like 1915. Where is it? 900. Yeah, right around there. Crash it, bro. Crash it. Yeah, it's gonna be about a 18 pip stop. Partials, probably like 1913. Where's 1910? All right, can we get activated? There we go. All right, we've been activated, chat. Good stuff. So let me go here. All right, so I've been activated here into sells. Stops are going to be above the previous 15-minute candle high, right around 1915, 900. Break even's going to be right around 1913. Going to look to close partials at 1910. And see if we can get this thing to continue riding down to 1906 here. So that's the trade, gang. 9:15 should have volume coming in, along with 8:30 to follow. So that is the position. Sell stops. Got about a 17, 18 pip stop here.
And at this point, now all we can do is let the probabilities play out.
Just let them play.
Now it's out of our control.
Quick. Yep, that's the position. All the work has been done, my friends. Yep, exactly. Now we wait. Yeah, I was thinking if we used the current 4-hour highs too, I mean the 1-hour highs before that, that wouldn't be too bad. That would be like 26 pips as well. Right up here. Just in case we ended up trying to come up to create that pack runner, I think those stops might be a little bit better. So I'm going to go 1916 700 on my stops. Yeah, still not too bad either. And then I'll go risk free right around that support level. That'll be about 12 pips in profit. So somewhere around there. I want to see that wick break. Buy or sell. Buy or sell.
How do you know how high the pack runner wick will be? Well, usually, quite often what happens is it just breaks the high of the previous candle and then reverses. So it should kind of just pop up, if it does, right? It should just pop up and then drop back down, if it does it.
Glory to God. Yeah, nah, looks good. 15-minute onion, 4 hours should be good to fill that wick. Continue on down. Once we break that 4-hour low, you should see a major push. Major push. That's going to be, at that point, will be about 22 pips in profit. And that should be a nice push down. We should see the next 15-minute with the NYSE open coming in. Give us our second push. Right, and then you know, come into 9:45 here, and we should see a nice move. But we really want to see those lows break, and we want to see them break now.
Don't be shy, Gold.
Shy.
Price is right, baby. Come on down.
Come on there.
Somebody hold my hand.
Somebody hold my hand.
Somebody come get us. Yeah, we got 5 minutes for the 30-minute closure here too, so looking good. This is a onion.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is an onion off of the 15-minute time frame. You had that resistance formed, so this is an onion. Yeah.
Someone says, homeless, if this trade goes sideways, better play me that it's time sound.
Yeah, the only way I would manage this position is if the 15-minute closed back above that resistance there. Yeah, if the 15-minute closed back above, like this, then I would look to probably close this position out. But as long as we remain below 1915 here, then we should be good to go.
Goldie.
Give it some time. Give it some time.
So what are you holding for that wick fill, Nick? Wow, wick fill?
Yeah, I might be holding till 1910 here. That's about a 40 pip move. Maybe a little bit above 1910. 1910 700. Yeah, and then a runner can run. Yeah, 30-minute looks clean too. We're making a nice wick fill here for the 30. Give me a sec. I'll be right back.
I'm liking this 30.
Yes, sir, Vin. Take a few deep breaths if you're feeling a little anxious. Calm your breathing, relax the body. Mind will follow. Focus on your breathing.
Understand you took the real W today, right? The result of this trade does not matter compared to the W you took by following your plan.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. The setup appeared. Our edge in the market appeared. We execute on it without hesitation. And now we let the probabilities play out. And that's it.
This is looking real good for 930.
Yeah, I might even look to add a second position at 930.
930. Yeah, 930 is gonna fold that 4 on light work.
Drink dolphin milk. A few gulps of vodka. Yeah, there you go. That'll do it. A few gulps of some vodka.
Deep gulps. Had to throw that on.
Oh shit, what happened here? I just
Wow.
dragged my entry. What does that do?
Oh,
Depends what side you dragged it towards.
I kind of dragged it towards the bottom there.
Oh, it just moves your TP.
TP. Oh. TP. Let's see.
you might add a position on 30.
Yeah, I might add a second position here on the 30 if we get a nice closure, the way it's looking. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Do, 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 do.
Twenty seconds.
Doom, 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 doom. Yeah, we need a top wick though. Doom, 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 doom. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna add a second entry here. Doom, 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 doom. Make them bleed. Make them bleed. Yeah, if we got volume, so if we come down and break those lows, very high chance we'll continue down. Very, very high chance. All right, coming back down now. Lovely. Second entry has been added.
Let's fill this 4-hour wick.
Yep, once we break that low, you should see a very nice push. I'm also going to move my stops, the first position stops, down to the previous 30-minute high. And yeah, looks good. Should see a nice push here with 9:30 coming in. Doo-doo.
Well, bleeder.
Something slight.
Yeah.
Something slight.
Shoebox money. Mattress money.
Shoebox. It's the shoebox money here. Come on, crypto.
The bleeder.
TTE the wizard.
Break that low, man. Well,
Yeah, I don't think Social Trader added my second position.
for
That's
real.
weird.
Oh.
That's weird. Nah, they didn't.
It's no bueno.
Yeah, I don't know why they wouldn't add my second position there.
Makes no sense.
What's this? Keep email. Yeah, no, I have the email alerts on. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm not too sure what happened there. All right, we should start to see a push now. So volume should start coming in. If we start breaking these lows, get ready. You should see a nice push to fill that wick there on the 4-hour. All right, lovely. Lovely, lovely. So I'm gonna go ahead and move stops to BE right now. And now that we've broken those lows, you should see a nice push coming down. There it is. Gonna close partials right here, chat. Closing partials of my position right there. Stops are at break even. And we'll let the rest ride.
Oops.
That's all she wrote. Something
Trade.
simple.
The rest should push down here now.
Should another trade.
Yep.
We'll bring that same energy every day.
Literally.
I'm a little salty that we didn't get the
second entry. Yeah.
second entry on my other account though.
She
There's the
bleeds.
4-hour wick fill.
All the far with fella.
Charts likes to play with Nick Stu.
Playing with my son. That was a perfect opportunity there
Yeah,
to add
it
an
really
entry
was.
to, you know. Yeah.
15-minute onion into the 30-minute breakout.
Yeah.
Right at 9:30 with the volume. Yeah, that was perfect. What's Social Trader doing?
For real. Lovely move there. Should continue down now. We're at break even at this point, so doesn't really matter too much.
Let's get the W's in the chat though. Let's get the W's in
All
the
the
chat.
doves. Throw the doves in the chat.
Someone said they're leaving already too. Hey, leave a like on the stream first. What's your name?
We went
I'm gonna
ahead
call
and
you out.
we went ahead and
EMD.
pushed down. Hey, how many people we got here? Before you guys do dip, what do we got? 1,500. Hey, if you guys could pray for my dad. My dad had some sort of a seizure earlier this morning and got rushed to the hospital. So if you guys can say a prayer for my dad, that'd be awesome here today. Would really appreciate it. He'll be good. We've covered him in prayer. We trust in the Lord. So yeah. But yeah, we should see a nice continuation. Would love for you guys to say a prayer though, if possible. Thank you.
Yeah, prayers.
Thank you,
brother.
chat.
Prayers.
Yeah, there's a lot of power in prayer. So while we got 1,500 people on here, I figured I'd plug the prayer talk. Yeah, nice move here though. Filled that 4-hour wick. It's a shame we couldn't get in up here, gang, but we just couldn't do it, right? Couldn't trust in that top wick there. We waited for our setup at 8:15. Got our onion play. That was the move. 9:30 gave us that second push. And yeah, we're looking good. Looking good.
Beautiful trade.
Beautiful trade.
Beautiful
Social
trade.
trader though, I'm a little upset. Not gonna lie. They gypped me on this one
Oh.
today. I don't know what happened there. Oh, thanks for the prayers, gang. Appreciate that. Yeah, thank you guys. Oh yeah.
Thank you, chat.
Covered in prayer is all we need.
I'll lead a little prayer.
Oh,
If
okay.
you want me to.
Let's do it.
Can
Let's
I?
do it, Sam. Yeah.
I want
absolutely.
to. I want to.
I'm
I haven't really done one of these before.
Oh, let's do
All
it,
right.
brother.
So, Lord and Heavenly Father, I come to you today to put prayers on Nick and John's father, and Joe, if he's here in the chat. This is an amazing man here that you have created, and look at all of the work of that one single man and what his disciples have done. You have created so much wisdom that is being passed through multiple hundreds and hundreds of people here. So if we could, Lord and Heavenly Father, I come to you today to ask for healing for Nick,
Thank you, Jesus.
Joe, and John's father. Amen.
Amen. Amen. Praise
I'm a
Jesus.
little, I'm a
Amen.
little rough at that. I'm a little rough at that, but I want to get better. I want to get
Hallelujah.
better.
Thank you. Thank
That
you,
was
Sam.
amazing, bro. Thank you.
I have no problem with doing that for everyone.
Thank you,
yeah,
brother.
absolutely. My pleasure.
Yeah. Thank you. Can we break these 4-hour lows now? I think that prayer gave us another set of juice here.
Holy Spirit heard us.
Or
Yeah, if we break that 4-hour low, it's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna delete this partial TP here and move it down just a Whoa, wrong line there. Wait, what's going on here? Oh, partial. All right, I'm not even gonna mess with it. Over leveraged. Some of you guys are used to that sound, huh? Come on, can we break that low? We really need to break that low. We should start every stream with prayer. I'm down. I be praying for you guys before I get on the stream. Praying all over the stream. The stream is covered in prayer every day. Believe that. Believe that. That's the strategy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's a strategy.
That's the strat. Let's go gold. Bleed. Blade. Still got 4 lots open here, so there we go. Let's break this low here.
When you close,
I closed 80% of both positions, had 10 lots on each.
copy.
We want to break the low. Break it. Gold's bleeding. Oh, thank you, Moses. Thank you, brother. Amen. Amen. Thanks, guys. Nah, I really appreciate that. That means the world, because I really do understand the power of prayer, and it's more powerful than what you guys, or I'm sure some of you guys know, but it's more powerful than than you think, and I appreciate that. Pray harder. Break the low. We're praying that the low breaks. It's flirting here, man. Break the low. Break the low. Don't come back and stop us out. Stretch it out so it looks further. Don't tap us out. Don't do it. Don't do it. Drop, drop, drop. How low can you drop? All right, there it is. Break even. Beautiful. Great trade there, guys. Lovely, lovely. Awesome. Awesome job.
You just like any trade, on to the next, right?
On to the next one. So let's mark that up. Yeah, got about 13 pips there. All right, so that was 9:15. 9:15 a.m. That's gonna be gold. That was did we enter off the break of the current, right?
15.
Current low?
Yeah, for the 15, yeah. I believe for both of them.
Really? Oh, that's probably good. It's probably all done. It's probably gonna dry. All right, cool. Oh. I guess in the morning, yeah. Yeah, we just prayed 1,500 deep though, right, chat? Prayer warriors out here. All right, anyway, 18 messages here. Oh, later, Future FX. Later, everyone. Thank you guys. Thank you guys in Zoom. Appreciate that. All right. Let me let's finish. Was that break of the current or?
Yeah, I believe it was
Yeah, I think it
current.
was current.
Yeah.
15-minute full. I'm just gonna put that in as one position. So 13 W. Good work. Actually, I mean, I got 26 pips. So what do you guys think? Should I put this in as one position, 26 pips, or two position, 13 each? What do you guys think? I mean, I guess it was a second position, right? At 9:30. Yeah, I guess we got to do that.
I thought it didn't get activated.
No, it did on my 100K account. For some reason,
alright.
it didn't on the other one.
Yeah, so another position.
Yeah, I got to put it in because it's another position of mine, so I'm not going to
Yeah.
not put it in.
2 W's and 1, eh?
2 and 1. And that was a breakout. 30-minute current. Oh. Man, I wanted that thing to run.
We're getting good at it.
Look what happened, right? We tapped into that area and it rejected, right? We never broke the 4-hour wick. That's a sign that this one may want to come up to create a steeper top wick now. So good job there. I was thinking about closing a little bit more down there, but I wanted that low to break with that 4 lot still running. So
Yeah, it was super close.
yeah.
Very well. It just needed 1 pip to do it.
Mhm.
W.
One
Oops.
position. Nah, I'm putting 2 positions, gang. That's not for you. That's for me, right? I took that was a second position added, so
Yeah, 100%.
I'm
Yeah, and it was
tracking
at
my
2
own
different times
yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Different candles.
This ain't about y'all right now.
Nah, that's definitely. I would definitely consider that.
Oh yeah.
Different positions.
This me tracking my own trades. You guys are just watching me. You just watching me do my thing. It'll run sooner or later. Yeah, I think our issue now is the top wick. So I think we may have to come up, make a top wick, and then we may be able to come back down. But on to the next one.
Yo, Deuce is nasty. Good seeing you here, brother.
You're out. All right, bro. Later.
Nasty.
Another one.
Whoa. Oh, late. Yeah, let's look at US30 here. US30. Closures above. Double digits on the month. Oh, let's go. So, all right, let me update this stuff for you guys. Yeah, my bad. I totally I totally dropped the ball on the this week's trade column here. My bad. So 8. Oh, nice. 10 wins here. 10 wins. 84. Creeping on 100 wins here, man.
Oh.
First double trade. Oh, nice. How many of you guys doubled up on that with me? Anybody else double up? Any of you guys double up? Sam or John?
Nah, I didn't.
All good. All good. The only reason I wanted to double up is because of the closure of the 30-minute. That was clean.
Yeah,
Nah,
I
nah.
did like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was
So
clean.
that's an example, gang, when I would double up. We really haven't got many double trades like that in a little bit. But that's a situation where I would, enter a second position to take advantage of that move, right? That we believed in that move. We believed in that 4-hour wick fill, and we pretty much got it, right? So at that point, when that 30-minute candle closed, if you have this 30 closing, now this one closing, you should see a push, right? I'm really shocked we did not see 1910, but I truly believe it came back down to that top wick on the 4-hour, right? Now we're coming up to create a steeper top wick, so that's why we didn't enter here, because yeah, you didn't get that 4-hour top wick and price drove down, but there's going to be a lot of times where this candle will come before all these candles, right? And it'll come back up to create that steeper wick. And I would assume that you're going to get a top wick now at least to like 1916 here. Yeah, like 1916, 500, maybe even 1917, and then potentially price turn back around, or you may get a 4-hour fake out. So, because remember, we needed that daily bottom wick. So now that we've gotten that daily bottom wick, price may continue up, right? We don't know, but all we know is we followed price action, waited for the playbook, took our position, took our piece of the pie, right? And kept it moving.
Sir.
And on to the next one.
Yep.
Someone
On
had
to
me
the-
laughing in that, because whenever you said about adding a second position, he goes, "Man, I want to get in on a second one too, but I already used all the gas in the tank for the first one." That was funny. I was laughing at that.
Yeah.
That's funny. W's. Oh, nice. A lot of you guys added that second position. Good job. Winning doesn't make me much happy anymore. Yeah, I feel you. Yep. The real happiness comes from like the payouts and stuff. Where's Scotty boy? Where's Scott? Is Scott here today?
He was here earlier. I saw him.
Yeah, so
I doubled up. Now I'm up 1.5. Beautiful. Good job. Oh, nice. 9:30 closure. Added my second position. Lovely. Lovely. Pack runner. Did we get that top wick? It's coming. There he is. Scotty boy.
Yeah.
Talk to me, man. Yeah, no, I wasn't even sure if you were here. I mean, I thought you were here, but it just came to my mind. Where's Scott? Made a nice 3% this week. Nice, man. Good job, Ash.
Where's Red?
Where's Red? Where's Red FX? Where's Austin?
Where's Wed? Yeah, where's
Rose?
Preston Austin.
Where's
Rose?
Where they at? Where they at, dude? They should be here, right? Red's sleeping. I couldn't get into two positions because I would have been losing too much. Okay, not bad, not bad. Austin's hiding. Walston. Let's see what happens here. Here comes that wick. Here comes that potential pack runner here. Yeah, you possibly could have a new position, but you would have to close back below, I think. Didn't get in the second position, had full risk. Oh, all good. Disturbed. Hey, Disturbed be pumping them 20 lots. What size account you got?
There's
Green.
200K,
What up, Green?
right?
My God. What'd you say? Oh, 200K, right?
No, I'm asking him.
Oh. I'm not a mod yet, but I'm here, baby. Don't for ask about me. Hey, yo, where the kid at? Where the kid at? Where's the kid?
Where's Nikolowski?
The kid, we're gonna ask about you, my boy. Yeah, where's Nikolowski? Where he at though? He's here. He's here
He
somewhere.
is here. Last time we asked that, he popped out.
Word, he popped out of nowhere.
Greenery.
Yeah, gang, you were right. We didn't get 50 pips, but man, a nice 26 pips, that sure did help out. I feel a lot better now. Finally passed my phase 1. Amazing. Aggressive execution. W. Congratulations.
It is there 200K. That's up. Running them 20 lots. Yeah.
Disturbed. Took 2 positions. I'll hit B. Did not close partials. On to next. No worries. Denzi K. That's not a bad idea. Honestly, I was about to not close anything. I was gonna let everything rock, but we came into like these lows here. Came down. I don't know. I felt like because of that 4 hour having not the best top wick, I wanted to close something because I just had a feeling that, you know, the 30 could pump down, potentially pull back up to create that wick, and that's exactly what we got to happen here. Wow. Yeah, beautiful. So that's the only reason I closed. If we would have had a good top wick on the 4 hour to begin with, like a healthy opening, then I think I would have held that thing because I really expected price to push on down to like 1906 here. Yeah, I was gonna hold till 1910, but that 4 hour with no top wick. Oh, look at this. Look at US30 here. Wow.
Push. Bink. Go just collect the package.
Yeah. Grabbed it. Grabbed it right
Sweet.
there. There it is. 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour candle's closing though, man. If this thing was still open for like another 15, 20 minutes,
Yeah.
I would have had sell stops right here
Flip.
on the flip.
Yeah.
But 1 hour may close bullish above
Yeah.
here, so can't do nothing. Oh, pulled like 600 with a 50K. Nice. Awesome, awesome. Good stuff, guys. Congratulations on that win. Way to make your money together.
On to the next. Yo, I'm actually gonna head out of here though, so I'm gonna go get those pictures right now.
Oh, nice. Okay, cool.
Yes, sir. So,
Yeah,
Hey,
hit me up a
chat.
little bit later.
yeah, I will for sure. Yo, W chat, W day, W discipline, W following the plan, W analysis. Yeah. W stream.
Yes, sir. Love it. Enjoy
And
those
and
picks.
Sam Capital is gone.
Peace, Sam.
Yep. But yeah.
Peace.
Yeah, Nick, John, everyone else that's in here as well. Deuces, deuces. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys
Got you,
later.
brother.
All right, brother.
All right,
Hope you have a
bro.
good
Cool.
one, man.
Yes, sir.
Stay, man. Have a good day.
Later. One day I want to be like Sam and have a penthouse like that. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. 14 seconds. Will this thing close below? That would be nuts.
Bro, can you imagine?
Yeah, here's what I'm thinking though. If the 15 closes like this, and then we get a bearish closure on the next 15, then we may be able to continue down. Now that we've created that top wick on the 4 hour, we may have more volume coming in. And what I mean by volume is dynamite, right? We've grabbed that pack. You may now see a push through all this to break the 4 hour lows. But we'll see. A lot of buyers are being activated here. We got no bottom wick, so stay tuned. We might get it. Might get a third. Stepped away from my phone, started going up on me. Nick, bro, thank you so much for coming on here this morning, especially with what you got going on. That is not overseen, bro. Oh, thanks, Scott. Appreciate that, man. Imagine 1 hour closes, no top wick. Yeah, it did close with a top wick, but this new one opened up with no bottom wick yet. So yeah, 15-minute might give us something. I'll hang out for a little bit longer, and then we may part ways here. What church do you guys go to?
Yeah, let's see what's got the 15.
Bethany Church. Yeah, I have church every morning though. Every morning. I have a war room, prayer room. That's where I go to fight the battles. Hey, if you guys aren't in our Signals program, the Signals room is open again. So you guys are more than welcome to join the Signals room before it closes back up. And if you're serious about taking your trade into the next level, like actually serious, then stay tuned, because we are going to have the Time to Eat Elite officially open up here mid-September. Application forms will be all ready to go, I think maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday. So you guys will have an opportunity to apply for the program. We're gonna do about 20 to 25 members. So if you're serious, right, and you really want to get to the next level, stay tuned for that. That's gonna be an incredible 10-week mentorship program. So should be a banger, man. I'm super excited about the 4.0 here.
Hey, if you want the skill set, lock in.
Should I start with a 10K challenge or jump straight to 100? I would do 10K, brother. Yeah, I would do 10K. Do you like any other live traders, Nick? Sharing is caring. I love it when streamers back each other. Yeah, I love Don. I love Raja. And that's pretty much all I really know about. I don't branch too far outside of, what I do. So I'm not too sure if there's any other ones, but I'm sure there are, obviously. But I really love Don and Raja. I'll be on the Elite 15.0. We'll be looking for you. Yeah, candle close with no yeah, I seen that over here. Candle close with no top wick on US30, so there's nothing we're gonna be able to do there. How much percentage did you make on the 2 positions? Sick management? Let's check. Let's take a look. History today. Oh, $1,800. Yeah, that's a little weird though. I think there's some. I think I had an issue go on with Social Trader here. This doesn't make sense to me.
1,800 off the 2 positions.
Yeah, that doesn't add
all,
up.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
That guy TK, nice IG post. Yeah, that does not add up, MFF. Right? Does that not say 13? 12.6? Right? That should be at least 20. Oh, you know what? We did get stopped at BE with 4 lots running.
Did you?
It might be good. Lorenzo. Yeah, I think I've never really watched Lorenzo, but I have heard of him. Yeah, I'm sure he's very, very good too. Anyone who trust me, anyone who live streams with in front of other people has a lot of grit, a lot of guts, right? To be vulnerable and to open up yourself to the public, right? Everyone's here to see everything, right? You guys are taking your trades, you know, but no one can see what you're doing, right? It takes some strong people to really get up there and, you know, call these trades out in front of, you know, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 people, sit in the trades, manage the trades, and answer the questions. You know, it's a lot. So anyone who's out there live streaming gets a shout out to me, because it's not an easy task. For me, it comes a bit natural, but I know how it can how you know, it could be quite a task. I had the same issue with the social trader. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have to figure that one out. W in the chat, come on now. Let me ask you guys, what size accounts are you guys trading on? No other stream feels like home, man. This place got motion. The Holy Spirit runs deep. Oh yeah, real deep. You're a very strong man, Nick. Thank you. 50K, 400K, 10, 100K, 20K, 20K, 100K, phase 2, nice. 20K, 100 bucks, 200, 100K, nice, nice. A lot of 100Ks here. 5,000. Nice, nice. If you're trading a funded account, put a capital F in the chat. If you're trading a personal account, put a capital P. I want to see this. I'm curious.
Facts.
Funded, 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 funded. Wow, yeah. Oh my God, slow it down. Funded, baby. A lot of funded traders here.
Funded, but
Oh, here comes some
on the
personals.
takeover.
Gang, why not, right? You got the skill. The funding company's got the money. Personal 50K, nice. Okay, I think there's a little bit more funded, but yeah, I see a lot of personal accounts too. 67K personal, very nice. Combination, very cool. Why do you get a certificate when you pass phase 1? Yeah, I have no idea. That's like celebrating winning in the playoffs. Right? Still a lot of work to do. Funded is no brainer. Why would I risk my own money? Yeah, I agree. I agree. Yeah, we'll do a poll. Funded or personal? Now I'm curious to see the statistics here and the numbers. Go ahead, guys. I put up the poll. Put whatever you're doing on the poll. I really do want to see. Nick, for the mentorship, do I need to be available all day, or can I do it? Oh yeah, so the mentorship, so those sessions, every one of them will be recorded. So that's first off, right? So most of the sessions are gonna happen during like an hour after the live streams. So, but all the sessions will be recorded. That recording will be immediately sent to your email, so that way if you do miss a session, you can pick back up on it. And then there will be our mental. Basically, you're gonna hear from a mental framework coach, right? Does a lot of work with professional athletes, with day traders, and he's really gonna coach you up. And those calls are gonna be taking place on Sunday evenings to get you guys and get your mindset, mind frame ready for the week. So that'll be your psychology session will be on Sundays, and then the rest of the sessions will be, at some point during the week. But we'll have a firm set in stone schedule real soon. Personal 10K. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Good stuff. 200K, 100, 100 funded, and 10K personal. Nice. Psychology Sundays, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can give you guys a sneak peek. Maybe I'll post it on the IG later. But yeah, it doesn't look like we're coming down for that bottom wick. This is a big no-no here, so I'm not going to touch anything with US30. We had that pump up, but no top wick, so that's not going to go anywhere in my book. And gold, yeah, gold is up for grabs here. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. I don't think we looked at that at all today. Very nice push down here. Yeah, I think you got more clean moves below this level. All right, let's see the poll here. 65% funded, 35% personal. That's kind of the numbers I figured. 400K personal on full margin, bro. Always nice to watch you. Earl, let's go. Throw in the D for demo. Yeah. Hey, Nick, funded because of you? Oh, let's go. I wish you all the best in your future plans. May God give you the strength to succeed. You make big change to all the people in here. Thank you, bro. Amen. Hey, thanks, Nolan. Appreciate the kind words, brother. Nick, speak on the Bible studies. Yeah, hey, gang, so the Bible studies, the war room will continue. So we took a little 2-week break, and we were going to start this Monday, but I have to bring John to the airport this Monday. Yeah, this Monday night. So what we're going to do is we're going to start everything on the... Hold on. We're going to start everything back up on September 4th. September 4th, we'll be back in the war room. I've got some incredible content for you. I've got some incredible wisdom from the Lord, and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. I'm no special person here, but the Lord is doing such a work through me, and I'm excited to share what we got going on in the war room in 2 weeks. We'll be back, baby. We'll be back. I'm excited. I wanted to
grab
get
that Uber, Johnny boy.
Grab that Uber. I've been trading on my own for a year. Just got funded yesterday. Oh, nice. Up 4% on my first day here. Oh, beautiful. Good job. Good job. Why did you come late today? We thought you were in trouble. Did I come late today? I don't think so. I'm never late.
What, like 6:50 maybe? Like
I'm always on time, baby.
On?
I don't do the late stuff. Accountability, you know? Gotta have that accountability.
It's their self-responsibility.
Alrighty. Chat, I think that's gonna do it here. I'm not really looking to take any more positions today, I don't think. Those are nice moves that we took advantage of. Beautiful playbook opportunity for us. We waited, right? We waited and waited and waited and waited, right? And then we finally got our shot. And we totally took advantage of that. And that's why we took a win here today, right? Same thing we did yesterday, right? 9:30 breakout. Probability was on our side today. 8 out of 10 times that probability is going to be on our side. But you know what, gang? 2 out of 10, that probability is gonna throw us off a bit. So that's how it be, man. That's how it be.
Not for real. W discipline, W patience, W following the plan, following the playbook. We bring the same energy tomorrow, right?
Yeah. Nothing changed, right? Nothing changed. We weren't scared, right? We took a 30-minute breakout yesterday and lost, and then you guys watched me add a second position today on a 30-minute breakout. Same trade, right? No hesitation, no fear. We don't come to the markets with fear. We only come with faith, and we come with what's this? And we come with
Faith over fear.
logic, right? Logic. So, love you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Get off the charts a bit, right? And just enjoy your day, right? Be grateful. A lot of things happening, right? You guys you're living, you're breathing, you're healthy, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. So, Johnny boy, over and out.
Catch you later, Nick.
May go
Chat. I'll catch up.
me and John may go feed the homeless today. So if you guys have anything extra that you can give away, and you see somebody in need, give them a little help, give them a little hand, and just might come back to you. So. Love you guys. Hope you guys have a great one. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Peace out.
Later, gangsters. Peace.